Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, to change the menu appearance on your Samsung smartphone device, follow these steps. Okay, first long press on any screen on your device. And then you can choose the settings option here. Okay, after that on this page, you can select home screen layout. And here you will see two options for the menu appearance that you can apply to your device. Okay, since I have used the first option, then I will use the second one. Next, click apply here. However, if you want to change the transition effects on your device, and then this device doesn't support that feature, so you cannot change the screen transition effect on this device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.